Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Mazda CX-5 hood. First, you need to locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle. It is usually found on the driver's side, near your left foot. Give this lever a firm pull, and you should hear a distinct pop as the primary latch disengages. The hood will then slightly lift, signaling it is ready for the next step. Now, walk to the front of your Mazda CX-5. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully insert your hand into this opening. You'll need to feel around for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is typically located near the center of the hood's front edge, just above the grille area. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to slide it to the right. This specific action will fully release the hood's locking mechanism. With the safety latch disengaged, you can now easily lift the hood all the way up. Be sure to lift it gently but firmly until it's fully open. To keep the hood safely open, find the metal prop rod. It's usually clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Carefully unclip it, then extend it and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood. Make sure the rod is firmly seated to ensure the hood remains stable and securely held open while you work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.